www.thephonedoctor.co.uk. We operate a 24/7 repair service. For instant quote, check us out. All contents for entertainment purpose only. Watch and use at your own risk. Any warranties will be void. Power down device. Remove the two bottom screws with a pentalobe screwdriver. Use a suction pad to pull up your screen. Use a case opener tool to prise the phone open. Remove the 5 Phillips screws with a Phillips screwdriver. The digitizer shield. Now you can lift the 4 flex from the logic board. Remove the proximity shield. Remove a 3 Phillips screw and shield. Remove the earpiece. And now the proximity sensor. Be careful when lifting the flex from the LCD board. When removing the flex, you can easily damage the flex cable. Now replace the proximity back into the LCD frame. If this is not flushed down, your proximity sensor will not work. Now replace your earpiece back into place. Replace back shield and your 3 Phillips screws. Or flex back into the logic board. Now replace LCD shield and replace back 5 Phillips screws. Close back your case and insert your 2 pentalobe screws into the bottom of your case. Now power your device back on. Thank you for watching The Phone Doctor.